Welcome to MathSub, my dear students. In this video we will learn about indeterminate form. Indeterminate form में जो हम यहाँ पर ले रहे हैं finding the unknowns. इसके पहले मैंने एक वीडियो लेक्चर लिया था in which we have solved the questions for finding one unknown, for finding two unknowns, right? And in this video I am taking finding three unknowns. Before that we have two lectures. One is basic lecture and one is finding the questions of 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. See, we have a complete lecture series on the topic indeterminate form. Okay, so now we start this question. Here we have to find three unknowns A, B, C. The question they have given, limit x tends to 0, a plus b cos x, bracket close, x minus c sin x, x raised to 5 equals to 1. Find A, B, C. So we start solving this question, right? In this question, what they have given, this see, for the first we always put the limit. Okay, यहाँ उन्होंने इस फंक्शन की वैल्यू 1 दे के रखी है. So what it says कि फंक्शन की वैल्यू other than 1 कुछ भी नहीं होगी. This is the one thing. Okay, we start considering LHS. LHS consider करेंगे. What they have given, limit x tends to 0, a plus b cos x, x minus c sin x divide by x raised to 5. See, एक बार वर्किंग रूल रिवाइज करते हैं. What is the working rule? The very first, the function as they have given, you have to put the limit, right? जो फंक्शन जैसे गिवन होता है उसमें जब हम लिमिट पुट करते हैं तो जो हमें वैल्यू मिलती है दिस वी कॉल ट्रू वैल्यू, राइट? तो यहाँ पर हम सबसे पहले फंक्शन को एज इट इज लिमिट पुट करेंगे. cos 0 होता है 1, बट यहाँ पर 0 है, 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एनीथिंग इज 0, साइन 0 0, यहाँ पर भी मुझे मिलता है 0. ऑलवेज राइट at right hand side what is the indeterminate form you getting, right? Now the next step is what? If you getting indeterminate form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then only you can apply L'Hospital rule. So here the true value is a indeterminate form in the form of 0 by 0. So we apply here L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule says what? You have to differentiate numerator, you have to differentiate denominator, right? So जब हम न्यूमरेटर को डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर x है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, तो यहाँ पर यूवी रूल लगेगा. नाउ यू हैव टू वे टू सॉल्व. या तो इस x को मल्टीप्लाई करके तुम डिफरेंशिएट करो या फिर यहाँ पे यूवी रूल लगाओ. बोथ आर ओके. इफ आई एम पुटिंग दिस x आउटसाइड तो यहाँ पर x का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा 1, a प्लस बी cos x as it is, then x as it is inside bracket, a का डिफरेंशिएशन 0 और b as it is cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन with minus sign sin x, right? Now the differentiation of this is c cos x, and when you differentiate denominator you get here 5x raised to 4. Now again we put limits once you apply L'Hospital rule. So see, यहाँ पर when I put limit I am getting here cos 0 is 1. So from here what left? a plus b. Okay, here x multiplication में है, so 0 multiplied by any number is 0, and from here cos 0 is 1. तो मुझे यहाँ से मिलता है a plus b from here, and from here I am getting minus c, from denominator I am getting 0. तो जब हम ये वैल्यू देखते हैं which is a other than indeterminate form, and any number by 0 always gives the value is infinite, but they have given the value of this function is 1, so it cannot be infinity. If it cannot be infinity, then what will further? तो आगे क्या होगा? अगर ये वैल्यू इन्फिनिटी नहीं हो सकती है उस केस में दिस विल बी अगेन अ इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म. ये फिर से एक इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म होगा, और ये इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म हो उसके लिए जरूरी है कि जो न्यूमरेटर है उसकी वैल्यू भी मुझे क्या मिले? 0. मतलब ये जो टर्म है इट शुड बी 0. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कंक्लूड दैट द न्यूमरेटर दैट इज a plus b minus c must be 0. From here you get the value of c which is a plus b, right? इस a plus b वैल्यू को हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं इसमें, in the upper equation. Okay, then only you get a indeterminate form 0 by 0, and you can apply further L'Hospital rule. Here a plus b cos x as it is, here 0, that is you can write it directly. This is with the minus sign, b x multiply sin x, and from here in place of c I am putting this value in bracket a plus b cos x, right? In denominator you get the same term, that is 5x raised to 4. देखो जब हमने यहाँ पर एक अननोन की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी है तो हमें यहाँ पर क्रॉस चेक करना है. क्रॉस चेक क्यों करना है? सो दैट अगर यहाँ कुछ मिस्टेक हुई तो वो यहीं के यहीं आप कैच कर सकते हो. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू क्रॉस चेक कि मुझे अब जब मैंने c की वैल्यू रख दी है तो मुझे न्यूमरेटर 0 मिलता है क्या? If you get numerator 0, denominator 0, then only you can apply L'Hospital and you can reach to the value what they have given, right? So once I put limit, यहाँ पर a plus b I am getting, this term is going to be 0, and from here I am getting with the minus sign a plus b. So once you put the value of c, you again get a indeterminate form 0 by 0. Again we apply L'Hospital rule here. L'Hospital rule apply किया तो यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? Limit x tends to 0. Now see, one more thing that you have to keep in mind while you solving the question of finding unknowns. कितने भी unknowns है, हर एक लेयर पे जहाँ पे तुम्हें फंक्शन की वैल्यू इन्फिनाइट मिलती है which is other than the value that they have given, तो वहां पर तुम्हें एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट करना ही है. ओके, और ये वेरिएबल जैसे एलिमिनेट होगा वैसे तुम्हें नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 0 by 0 मिलेगा. अगर आपने यहाँ से ये वेरिएबल का वैल्यू यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं किया होता तो मुझे इंडिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म नहीं मिलता, और अगर मुझे इंडिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म नहीं मिलता तो मैं उस पे L'Hospital अप्लाई नहीं कर सकती. अब यहाँ पर हमने फिर से इसको डिफरेंशिएट किया तो देखो यहाँ पर a का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा 0, इसका होगा माइनस b sin x. फ्रॉम हियर you have to apply UV rule here. So differentiation of x is 1, sin x remains as it is, then again with the minus sign x as it is, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x. Here with the minus sign cos x का differentiate a plus b constant है, it remains as it is, और cos x का differentiation होगा minus का sin x, so this become plus, and here you get a plus b sin x, and in denominator you will be getting 20x raised to 3. Okay, again you need to put limit. So sin 0 0, sin 0 0, here x multiply anything is 0, sin 0 is 0, denominator is 0. So यहाँ पर मुझे फिर से क्या मिल रहा है? इंडिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म 0 by 0, राइट? अब इंडिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म 0 by 0 मिल रहा है तो हम फिर से क्या लगाएंगे? L'Hospital rule. See, you can apply L'Hospital rule number of times. जब तक कि तुम्हें 0 by 0 इंडिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म मिल रहा है, you can apply L'Hospital rule. Okay, now next, limit x tends to 0. See, now this is, you can write minus का 2b sin x. Okay, so when you differentiate, this comes 2b cos x. Here again you have to apply UV rule. b x का 1, cos x remains same, then minus b x as it is, cos x का differentiation होता है minus का sin x, so this become plus sin x, and here we have a plus b cos x. In denominator you will be getting here 60x raised to 2. Okay, again you need to apply limit. So from here you get minus 3b cos x, which is non-zero. From here a plus b, this becomes 0 because x multiply by anything is 0, साथ में sin 0 भी क्या होता है? 0. So when you solve this, you getting here minus 3b from this 2 term, and from here with the plus sign a plus b. In denominator you getting 0. See, now this value again become infinity, right? This is the second. ये हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप था जहाँ हमने एक वेरिएबल एलिमिनेट किया था, बिकॉज वी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन एज इन्फिनिटी. Again, the value of this function is infinity, which cannot be possible. So, what will be possible? That the numerator must be 0. Numerator must be 0. What does it mean? Minus 3b plus a plus b equals to 0. It says, what says? Minus 2b plus a equals to 0. It says a is equals to 2b. So here I am getting second value. This is the second layer where I am going to eliminate one more variable, either a or b, in the form of opposite variable. Okay. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? In this equation, I am going to substitute the value of a as 2b. So on putting this value a equals to 2b, you get the term here is minus 3b cos x plus bx sin x, and here a plus b. यहाँ पर here in a plus b, आप substitute a equals to 2b. So this term is going to be 2b plus b cos x, that is 3b cos x. Again you put the limit. When you put the limit, this is minus 3b plus 3b going to be 0, and this term is also going to be 0. Denominator is again going to be 0. So you get 0 by 0 as indeterminate form. You can again apply L'Hospital rule. So after this step, यहाँ पर when you again apply L'Hospital rule, this 3b sin x, differentiation of this term, bx sin x में यहाँ पर uv apply होगा. So this comes b x का 1 sin x plus b x as it is, and sin x का differentiation cos x, and here 3b cos x का differentiation with the minus sign 3b sin x. Okay, these are the similar term with opposite sign get cancelled, and when you substitute the limit from here, sin 0 0, x 0 hoga, 0 multiply anything is 0. So numerator you get 0, from denominator you get 0. Once you get 0 by 0, again apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule apply करेंगे तो अब यहाँ पर b sin x का differentiation b cos x. Here again you have to apply uv rule. X का 1 b cos x as it is, bx as it is, और cos x का differentiation with the minus sign sin x. Okay, and here in denominator this comes to be 120. When you put the limit, from here you get b plus b, from here that is b, this b and this become 0 by 1 to 0. But this is the value which you evaluating by your rule. Okay, but what they said, the value of this function must be 1. Okay, तो ये value किसकी equal होनी चाहिए? This should be equals to 1. When you substitute this equals to 1, you get 2b equals to 120, that is b equals to 60. This b equals to 60 you are putting here in this function, a equals to 2b. So you get here a equals to 2b, that is a equals to 2. In place of b I am putting 60. So the value is 120. And the third unknown you are getting from this equation, which is c equals to a plus b. C equals to a plus b I am substituting here. A की value 60, A की value 120, B की 60. So the value you are getting here 180. This way you are determining the value of three unknowns A, B and C. I hope you like my video, you understand this question completely. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.